Okay, but there's 3 buffet lines. Cooking comes from the heart. You know, you got to love the food and care about what it is. I mean, a lot of people can take it out of the package or the can and, you know, and just put it together, you know, but cooking is something from the heart. What's my favorite thing? Seeing it all come together, seeing it when it's all set up out there, seeing everything in its place, complete, ready to go before everybody comes through. You just look at it. It's just right there when you're ready to go and it's all at its peak, food is at its peak, and that's very gratifying. When comments come through, it's always interesting to hear those. Good, bad, indifferent, whatever kind of reaction we get is valuable information so that we can understand where we're at, where we're going, and if we're satisfying the customer. We want to make it better each year.